Hello guys, welcome once again on my YouTube channel Singhani English. Today's video I am talking about how to learn English from a story. This is the best way to learn English. According to me, you watch a lots of videos on your YouTube channel, on your internet, when you search on Google, when you search on YouTube. But I think that this is the practical way to learn English from a story. And you are thinking in your mind how to learn English from a story. I never heard about this topic, but I say you that I promise you, if you watch this video till the end, definitely you understand how to learn English. You can understand how to learn English from a story. Now I am telling you what is the solution to learn English from a story. First of all, you should understand the value of words. Actually, every sentences, a lot of sentences have made, first of all, a small words. After that, you can make sentences, you can make daily use sentences. Without words, you cannot make many sentences. So when you read a story, then you learn words, and this is the valuable things for you, very useful for you to learn English. And second thing, when you hear new words, then you should know about that meaning in Hindi. This is necessary for you because you are a beginner. Now in this time you cannot think in English directly. First of all, you have to translate in Hindi. After that, you will have to speak. But you are speaking slowly, and you are learning slowly in this time, and you are beginner students for learning English. So you should understand this. And second thing, whatever you learn new sentences, you cannot understand it, then whole sentences you can copy, you can search on Google Translate, and you can understand what is the meaning of this sentence in Hindi. Then slowly you can collect many sentences, you can learn many words, many sentences, and you can use in your daily life. By the way, today I am learning English in front of you because of practice, because I have practiced more and more in my life. Today I am practicing with you in front of camera, and you should practice, otherwise you cannot learn English. No any solution for you. And third thing, try to speak something, small sentences. I don't say in beginning you should speak long sentences, more and more long sentences. No. So I hope that you enjoyed a lot watching this video, and you learned a lot of things watching this video. With this in this video, nice, bye bye, take care you. Nice, bye bye, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.